Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining. Let me quickly share this live stream so that other people will also benefit from this, right? Because this is a very powerful information that I'm going to share here. This information is going to help a lot of you to make money. Yeah. So if you check my if you check my blog, my CMC blog now, this is what I just write here. I write something here on my blog. Let me show you guys. This is going to be, very very profitable for for all of us, right? For all of us, because I'm going to enter this trade. You are going to enter this trade, and another person is also going to enter this trade. So look at what I post here. You can read it by yourself. You can read it. So this is the write-up I just give here for you guys to know. This is for people that are not. Sorry, let me quickly copy this link. Share it so that other people will also join. Right, it's very very important, very very important for you guys to join. So let me share it. Very very important. Very very important. Yeah, I'm coming, guys. Just hold on. I'm going to do introduction, everything. I'm going to do everything, so you guys just are patient with me, right? It's very very important. Very very important. What's happening next? Join to know what's happening next. So guys, just chill, guys. I'm coming. I need to share this. I need to share this, right? Because a lot of people need to benefit from this. Oh, to know, yeah, crypto market is facing X. Is moving next. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Yeah. So just stay. You can read that. You can read what is there. I just I just read this. So let me go back. Let me go back to let's go back here to analysis. I want you guys to just watch everything. I'm coming. I'm gonna explain everything, right? I'm going to explain. I'm gonna explain every single thing. I want to share it both on Telegram, both on Instagram, because people need this information, right? People really need this information. And I'm going to explain it in the way that you guys will understand, right? Very very important. So stay with me. Stay with me. I'm coming. Coming, guys. Coming, guys. Oh, I'm going live again. I'm coming. Coming, coming. So I was very busy. Now that I start live, I see people, you know, chatting me somewhere. What's going on? Coming, guys. Hold on. All right, so guys, let's start. Let's officially start. So I said something yesterday. I give you guys analysis. Let's first check the analysis I gave to you guys before we come back here on the. Before we come back here. Before we come back here on. Let's come back. Let's stay here. That was Tau, right? So let's go on Tau. Let me show you guys analysis we did on Tau. So guys, see, Tau is currently trading at price of $420. Now, for those of you that joined my last live here, I posted Tau at price of $330. $330, and this was the analysis. If you come here, this was the analysis. The analysis was very simple. Go to the trend line, pick here. What's going on? Hold on. Come here, right? Right. So, but before I continue this analysis, I was saying something that I joined kucoin. Okay. I want to talk about my promotional link. In case you will see the link in the comment section below. That link is for kucoin. Right. So if you join kucoin, you are going to be getting percentage, right? You are going to be getting percentage if you use my link, right? It's a referral link, right? So I joined kucoin live session yesterday, and I was I was discussing on market condition, and I said something. I talk about the news. I talk about politics. Politics is strongly entering into crypto, and we need to consider that. And because politics is entering into crypto, it's coming with news, right? So there's always news in this crypto space, and we really need to pay attention to news. And after that, I was just trying to read some other news and stuff like that, and I came across this news. I'm not going to read it all, but I'm going to just read it where it was where I'm coming. They talk about Kenya, right? Yeah, they talk about Kenya. Hold on, guys, I'm coming. So let me not go back to the news, but the news talk about how Kenya Parliament accepted crypto, something like that, right? But I don't have it here. I did not prepare to read it here on the live session, so that's the reason why I did not get it prepared, right? So yeah, that alone is going to have a big effect, good effect, in the crypto space based on that country, right? Based on that country. So what am I saying? What I'm saying, trying to tell you is it's very, very important for you to read news. If you wake up in the morning, make sure you go on crypto channel news, read news. You know what is happening today. I read a news whereby 1 billion USDT was minted early this morning. That I read that news, and when you read news like this, you know where the market is going next. You know what is happening, right? So, I was analyzing Bitcoin and I told you guys that Bitcoin has not broken out of trend, and for that reason, we are still expecting a bullish, trend. Because most of the Decembers we do see market movement, right? Most of December we see market movement. So this December is going to be one of the December that we are going to see a very strong market movement. So we should be ready. So that was, another conference for me. That was a fundamental confluence for my technical analysis, right? And today again, when I woke up, I discovered, that or I read that news that 1 billion USDT was minted today. So that means that the there's possibility that the crypto market is going to move again because liquidity is coming more into crypto. So a lot of people who don't know what that is, and I don't want to explain. Let me just show you guys, because I tweet about it. I mean, yeah, on my page here, right here on my page, what that really is, what that really means, right? So let's read here. Market is coming back again. Okay, so this was what I dropped here. As you can see, this post have 6.5 thousand views already, with some people liking the post. Let me just make. Okay, so let's read this so that you guys will understand. Some of you that don't understand what it means, right? So this is what I write. I said market is coming back again as Bitcoin is slowly recovering, and even Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is also slowly recovering. Right, so first confluence is, so that was my first confluence of technical analysis. This is the fundamental, right? Then this is my first confluence, but another confluence of technical analysis. So 1 billion USDT just minted, and what does this mean? So I explained this for people that don't know. They will understand what it means. But if they mint a USDT in the crypto space, so number one is meeting demand, liquidity injection. So liquidity injection is giving liquidity, putting liquidity, adding more liquidity into crypto space, right? So when they add liquidity into the liquidity they're adding is in stable coins, right? So the reason why they're adding in stable coin is because once they're adding liquidity, there's gonna be more transaction that people are going to buy. Stuff like that, buy and sell. So it means that it's going to contribute into buying. So this market deals on demand. So once there's liquidity into the market, there's going to be transaction is going to continue into the space, into the market, and that is the market will continue moving, right? So whenever we see any news like this, just know that there's possibility that the market is going to move bullish, right? Injection. So if more people or platforms want USDT for trading, moving funds, arbitrate, tender may may meet more to supply that demand. More to supply that demand, right? So number two is facilitating market operations. New USDT might be sent to exchanges, liquidity pools, or protocols to fuel trading or DeFi activities, right? So they push liquidity in order to make people to do more transactions. So number two is signaling or strategic timing. In crypto markets, large stablecoin issuance sometimes correlates with forthcoming market moves, expectation of buying pressure. So I explained this before, right? Expectation of buying pressure. That is if liquidity come into it. So that's what I mean by minting USDT. So, but that is speculative and not guaranteed. So they are still telling you that this is a market. This is financial market, right? So it's not really guarantee, right? So that's what they're telling you here. So number four is reserve management. Reserve management like backing. The issuer must, in principles, ensure that those newly minted tokens are backed by corresponding assets in reserve, so that the peg remains credible, right? So this is what that means. So whenever you see news like this, you know that something is going to happen. So if you holding coin and maybe your mind is telling you that you should sell this coin, please don't sell that coin, because there's more more possibility that this market is going to move again. Do you understand? So for that reason, you will not sell that coin. And if you did not read news, if you did not read news, you are not going to understand what is gonna happen next. So that's the reason why I was telling you guys on that live session that is very, very important for you. Sorry, I need. Right? Oh. I'm coming. Yeah, boss, bro. I'm coming. Let me quickly drop this. I'm having chat here. What's going on? Sorry. Yeah, let's go. So that's the reason why I was telling you. I was telling you guys about reading news. News is very, very important inside this space. Yeah, Dodge is going to do well. Right. So let's go into technical analysis. So guys, check the coin that I was telling you guys about. I think Hams Pro, you were here. Thank you for the last time you joined. You do not only join, but you also gift me. So thank you very much. So Hasbro was actually here when I was talking about Tau. So when I was talking about Tau was actually trading at price of $330. So Tau was down here, and I was saying that Tau is going to break out of this, right? That Tau is going to break out of this, and Tau actually broke, right? And when Tau break out of this, where does it go? It's moved all the way. It moved up to $477, right? Now there's something I said in that video, in that live session. I said that Tau is going to move to $680. Now let me show you guys this. If you're here, make sure you register on kucoin, right? Make sure you register on kucoin. Using my link, you're going to be getting some percentage, right? Very, very important. Yeah, it's a win-win situation. So I told you guys that Tau is going to break out of here. Tau was trading at price of $330 around this area, $330, and then Tau actually break out of this. And I said Tau is moving. Next move of Tau is $686. $686. So the $686 is around here. $686 is around here. All right, so let me actually change this. Yeah, around here. 686. That was around here. But first take profit is going to be here. So we have different take profits. We have first take profit here, right? So the reason why this happen here is because of this. You need to reject here, respect this key level. So my strategy is key level, right? So you reject here, come back, it will come back and retest. If market break out, the market cannot, if a coin break out, the coin cannot just continue rising. So there's one of my students yesterday, I was giving him class, and I was telling him that Tau is actually going to retest and come back to around $335, right? So for those get thank you, bro. So for those get into it, when I talk about it at price of $330, they can sell it now, right? And selling it now, they can just come back, wait, and come back and buy it at $350 again, or they should target their buy at $363 in order for them to be safe. That is a very fast entry. So for me, I'm going to be entering my position at $367. So if you're trading on spot, you are very, very safe. It is only when you are trading on futures you're trying to be you'll be trying to target a sharp entry, right? A sharp entry. But if you're trading on spot, you're gonna be good. You're gonna be good. Hold on, then guys. Let me quickly reply to this message. Coming. So yeah, you can enter your position at $360 something, and then from there we are going to move to the next level. So from here, I'm expecting Tau. We're expecting Tau to move back to around 600. So, but yeah, we have some different places of taking profits, right? So let me show you guys places that we are going to be taking profits. So here, this is profit one, right? $560, that is profit one. 460 something dollars, that is profit one. It's very good to take profit there, right? Now, but if I change it to candlestick, you are going to see, you see that the market, the candlestick, we see we have a sharp rejection there, and that is one of the reasons why I do close my wick, right? I do kill the wick, right? So this is the first take profit, then you sell from here, then you come back and buy around this area. So I'm gonna be buying. I will even buy at if you're trading on spot, target your entry at $383. Right now, the market is, you need to understand that this is a fluctuating market, right? So it may come down to around $383, don't mind. It may come down to $347, don't mind. All we know is from here is going to bounce back and go back to 400 and something, $460, $470, $480, and from here is going to break out again. Now, if Tau break out here, let me show you guys the next take profits that we are going to do. We are going to enter the next take profit is going to be at let me, you know what, there's what's in technical analysis, bro. Like, you need to just you need to really pay attention. You really need to pay attention, right? So if it's other coins like Doge, other coins like meme coin, right? In this kind of situation, you should take your profit from here, or from here, right? Which is $505, right? No. If it's meme coin, right? The next take profit should be here, which is $486. But because it's Tau is actually volatile. Yeah, you need to know that Tau is volatile. So for this reason, your next profit should be at 497. That should be your take profit, right? Because of this here, that should be your take profit. Because from this, if we see a breakout here, from here is going to come back to $466 again before it will break out. But the major place where we are going to go, where we are expecting Tau to go, is over $600 or even above there. Now, if Tau go back and touch the all-time high, then we are, another all-time high is going to create, right? Another all-time high is going to create. Another all-time high is going to create, right? So let me show you guys these places that I'm telling you guys. So from here, the market move here, break out of this, and then come here, right? Then we're expecting it to come back here and test here. Oh my gosh, what's going on? What is going on? Let me change this to candlesticks so that you guys will understand very well. Oh, no. Those candles are very terrible. All right, so we were down here, then we see a breakout, and then we touch here, take profit. Now we are coming down around this area, then we'll go back again. We touch here, there's gonna be a little consolidation here. We break out and go towards to $496. We come back again at $466, and we break out of this. Breaking out of this, our next take profit is going to be at $562, which is this. Respecting this key level here, you're gonna see a sharp drop again down to $498, and we are gonna see another break up here straight towards to $657 and even more, right? And even more. Let me change this. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Very sharp, very sharp, right? So that's where we expecting the next move, right? That's where we expecting the next move here on Tau. So Tau is also trading on kucoin, right? Tau is trading on kucoin, so you can go on kucoin. My link is in the comment section. What's going on? Oh, okay, wrong. I want to screenshot it so that I will post it, right? So I'll post it on our CMC, right? So that I'll post this. I'm gonna be doing this live. I will be blogging live so that you guys will see what I used to do. So I think I will not really pay attention and write my this thing. Let me refresh it so that you guys will see my blog. So you can follow me here on CMC. On CMC, I'm always dropping the updates I drop on CMC is more than the updates I drop here on YouTube channel. Like, I'm kidding, you know. Like, I always drop updates on CMC, right? So CMC is a place where you're gonna follow me. Now look at the updates I drop on the 12th. On the 12th, right? On the 12th. Yeah. Let's read this before I post. So I dropped this update on the 12th, and let's see if what I drop here play out. Yeah, Tau is a good coin to buy, as I'm expecting it to break out and hit $680. Oh my goodness, like I've said this before. I said this on the 12th before I even went live. I went live yesterday or day before yesterday, but I dropped this on October 12th, right? That wasn't the day I went live. That wasn't the day I went live at all. Now this was what I dropped. This was what I dropped on the 12th, and this post is carrying 124,000 views. 124,000 views. That's crazy, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's read what I said on this, on my blog. I said that the trend will make you understand. Oh my gosh, like this is oh, typo. What do I wanted to write here? Say the trend will make you understand. Okay. I wanted to say this trend. I did not really check what I wrote. Oh my goodness, let me be paying attention to my write-up. This trend will make you understand the current state and future position of crypto. Bitcoin as a major crypto coin lead and other follow. I see where people take their lives because of the sudden shutdown. And here is my take on people that worry much. Number one, lack of crypto education. Now, the reason why a lot of people worried about this market downtrend is lack of crypto education. Lack of crypto education. It's very, very important for you to get crypto education. It is very, very important, right? So if you're not getting crypto education, then you're not doing yourself, a favor. Like, you're not doing yourself a favor at all. So lack of crypto education, this alone covers everything, because from crypto education you can know everything about crypto and understand that Bitcoin has been repeating same pattern every year, or bull run, or every bull run. So Bitcoin has been repeating patterns, but people don't understand. Right? Oh my goodness. Now, this pattern, I also posted this down. If you come to my page is full of knowledge. My blog is full of knowledge, right? Oh my goodness. So, if you come to my page, Bitcoin have a pattern, and this pattern play out every single year. Every single year, this pattern plays out. But people don't understand that that Bitcoin have a pattern, and this pattern play out. Now, if this pattern has been playing out since Bitcoin came out, what do you think? Why do you think the pattern will change this year? So the downtrend of crypto, that sharp drop, was actually a pattern. Bitcoin was actually repeating its pattern that happens every year. So if you study this pattern and understand, you would have, you not even have anything to worry about, right? So if you see, I'm going to read again. So if you see how the market drop, there's a sharp wick that shows rejection. That right, that can be described as a future imbalance. So I said that sharp rejection, that sharp wick candlestick, can be described as a future imbalance. So the future imbalance is the market is going to, in the future, the market is going to drop below that candlestick. Now, some people may be asking that, okay, yeah, I said the market is going to drop below that candlestick. Then yes, the market is going to continue dropping now. But why the market did not drop? Now is not the future, and next month is not even the future, right? There are two things. There's something that happened there. When that sharp rejection dropped, the candlestick went back and closed above the major market trend. So it means that Bitcoin is not out of trend. None of these coins that drop like that are out of trend. They are not out of trend. So because they are not out of trend, they will continue rising. They will continue the bull run. They will continue the bullish market. But in the future, they are going to reverse and come back and feel that imbalance. So that is what that means. If you don't understand, you can just let me know in the comment section and I will explain more, right? In case that is if you don't understand, right? So hold on. Let me, okay, someone is saying they are not seeing the link, the kucoin link. Let me quickly share it. So I'm going to continue, but let me quickly share this link first, right? Let me quickly share this link, then from there we will continue. You need to understand this. Or you can go on my page. And read more. Like, I have a lot of this. Like my page is full of knowledge, right? My page is very, very, like, it's full of knowledge. So you can go there and read. Register on kucoin. Yeah. So yeah, I'm pasting the link. Yeah, I post the link there. All right, that's cool. Yeah, so let's continue. There's a sharp wick that shows rejection that can be described as future imbalance. It means in future the market will drop below, right? The market will drop below that wick, fulfilling the structure it fails to break down. So the reason why the market create that sharp candlestick is, and then go back and close above the trend, is because the market failed to fulfill the structure, the market structure, right? It fails to fulfill it, then in the future it's going to come back and fulfill it, right? So that's what that means. For example, Bitcoin dropped to $102,000. In future, during bear market, it will drop below. That is what that imbalance means. Let's focus on the current situation now. Let's focus on the current situation now. You need to understand that rejection is a powerful way of giving boost strength for uptrend, giving boost strength for uptrend to continue. Yeah. So find the best position now and enter Tau. It's a good position. Tau and enter. Tau is a good position. It's a good coin to buy. As I'm expecting it to break out and hit $680. Bro, like this is a perfect entry. Now, when I drop this, let's trace the price of Tau. I dropped this on the 12th. Everything is here, so I don't need to cap. Like everything is here, right? Look at it on the 12th. Let's go and check Tau on the 12th. What was the price of Tau on the 12th? Let's check. That is when we know. On the 12th of September, what was the price of Tau? On the 12th, September 12th of October. Yeah. So on the 12th, Tau was trading. That was the same day the market dropped. So Tau actually dropped down to $150 to $140, right? Now, when I give this on the 12th, Tau was still consolidating down around $284. Everything is there. Bro, everything is there. I'm not capping. Like everything is there. You see it there, right? You see it's there. Everything is there. I'm not capping. Like I'm not capping at all. I'm not capping at all. I'm not capping. Like everything is there. You can go and check it out. I dropped that post on the 12th. On the 12th, look at it, October. On the 12th of October, tagging here. And my live session, I said the same thing, that Tau is going to hit $600. So I actually repeat the same thing that I was just like in the two occasions that I gave analysis on Tau. Never knew that I gave analysis on Tau in the first time, the first day that the market dropped, and saying that Tau is going to break and enter $680. I don't even know that I'm giving that analysis. The day I went live, that was yesterday, I still gave that same analysis. Right? Right? So the Tau is going to move, and when I gave this, Tau was trading at $284, 280 something dollars. So if let's say you see my post, my blog, let's say you see my blog, you see this, right? Let's say you see this and you get into Tau at that very first day, you would have been making 100% of your money, more than 100% of your money. More than 100% of your money, right? That means making more than 100% of your money. More than 100% of your money. Wait, hold on. Let me check something. Right? Now make 100% of your money. 100% of your money. So yeah, so someone just dropped analysis again on Tau, and in the future is moving to 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus is even big, is even small, right? I said that, I think I said that on my live before, or I said that to one of my students. I said that on my live, I know that I said that to somebody. I said if Tau break the all-time high, break the previous all-time high, and it's creating a new all-time high, then we should be expecting Tau from $3,000 to $5,000. From $3,000 to $5,000. That is if it break the previous all-time previous all-time high. Just expect it to 30,000, from $30,000 to $5,000, right? So if you just get him analysis, get him on the 12 that I dropped this at 200 and something dollars, that will move from 200 and something dollars to $480, $279. That is a very good amount there. Oh my gosh, right? That's a very good analysis. Very good analysis. I mean, very good profit. I be in profit. I have some people like, I need to be in a meeting. I need to be in a meeting, guys, and I still have like 5 minutes here. 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes. Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming. Right? Yeah. So what are we going to talk? What am I going to show you guys next? So because I'm just remaining with just 5 minutes here. So what I'm going to give you is, let me just give you guys this entry position. So you see what is happening. So it's actually dropping. So if you are on future, if you're on spot, just target your entry here. Just target your entry at this level, 380 something dollars, right? 380 something dollars. And from here, I don't even expect, like, you don't even need to enter stop losses, right? The market may fluctuate and come down to this place, right? Right? But from here, if you enter here, you are still safe. You know the reason why I say if you enter here, you are still safe. The market there's very possibility that the market is going to come down here. But now, there are two things here. Look at this place here. There's a reason why I say enter your market here. There's a reason. This place here, if you look this, the market, this coin break out on one day. Wait, let me conclude this on 4 hours time frame and see. Yeah, okay. So there's a reason why, there's a reason why I say enter there. There's a reason why I say enter here. What is the reason? If you check here, there's a breakout here. If you check here, let me show you guys the reason why I say enter up there. Enter up there. This coin first come back here and consolidate here, right? What's going on? The crying out loud. So this coin first come here, consolidate here, right? Consolidate here, come down here, go back, did not break out, come down. Are you seeing? Did not break out. Then when it break out here, come back here, and then come down. Now there's a reason why this coin did not continue here. There's a key level it respect here, and then it come down again. That was when we see a very sharp rejection. This place here is a strong support where it come back and close. If I take it to 1 day time frame or 1 week time frame, you see that there's a strong support down here, right? So we see a just small movement here, small movement down here, which is a bigger zone. This place down here is a very big zone, and then we see a breakout. When we see a breakout, we see a pullback, a small pullback, and we see a massive movement. Now this massive movement, we see another break, we see another pullback a little bit. Now let me show you. We see another pull here. When this pull come, what happened here? It just come down here, reject here because this is a key level. It reject here, another candlestick open, go back, and then it reject here, coming back. So as the market is coming back, what do you think is going to happen? It's going to come here. It's going to come down here because this is a support, a key level, right? This is a key level, so it's coming to pick down here. So there's more possibility that it's coming to pick here than coming down here. But if you're trading on spot, picking down here, there's no issue. It's going to move. But let me now tell you something. Even in the market, even this coin is going to break down and come down to this place here. It cannot just break down. It must peak here and then go back a little bit around this area again at 400 before it will come back and break here. Now, if anything make it break down here, then just know that it's coming down to $333. So from here, you should enter again. Do you understand? From here, we see just a little bit consolidation and it's going to move again, because now up here is making this place a zone. It's making this place a zone. Do you understand? Do you understand? So yeah, like I said, this coin is trading on kucoin, and using my kucoin link, you are going to be getting, you know, some percentage, some bonus. If you're trading with my you use my link to register and you are trading, you are going to be getting some bonus, right? So yeah, you're going to benefit from it, right? So thank you. I think I'm going to end this live right now, because I share a lot of things here that you need to like. If you take action, you're gonna be making profit for sure. So see you in my next live. Thank you, Hams bro. Thank you very much for joining, bro. I really appreciate it. See you in my next live. Bye.